Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to lock your Windows 11 through picture screen. Yes, picture password is a new password in Windows 11 feature. I will show you out. Go to search bar and type settings, then open settings. On the left, you can see account section. Just go to accounts. Now, scroll down a bit. You can see sign in options here. Click on sign in options. Now you can see this different type of lock and features as well as facial recognition, fingerprint recognition, PIN, security key, password, and the last you can see picture password. Uh, Now to use picture password, go to add option. Now it will show you what is a picture password. Picture password is a new way to help you connect your touchscreen PC. You choose the picture and the gesture you use with it, create a password and make it yours. So you will given a picture and you have to solve it to open your PC. I will recommend you to use for once just to experience it. It's not cool if you use it on daily purpose, and it's basically used for tablet devices, not look good on laptop devices. So after putting your password here, you can use your picture password. So guys, this was a video on how to use picture password on Windows 11. I hope you can use it now and tell me your experience. Do you like it or not? And don't forget to like my channel as well as my video and kindly turn off your notifications so you can get my new latest videos, updates on your PC, Android, and whatever device you are using. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.